Have you ever heard about MCP servers? You probably have. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol and is the foundational of some really powerful AI-driven infrastructure. These servers were built by Anthropic, the company behind Claude. Generally, people don't get what MCP does. Let me break it down for you. Large language models don't have access to real-time data. They trained on massive dataset, but the knowledge is frozen in time. So, when it comes to doing real-world tasks like sending emails, pulling files from Google Drive, or querying live database, they're pretty much useless on their own. But here's the trick. You can give LLMs a tools to work with. Let's say you build a tools that can send mails. Now, if you connect the tools to the LLMs, suddenly LLM can actually send mails on your behalf. This is how we start bridging the gap between AI chat and the real world action. Trust me, building and connecting those tools to AI is not an easy task. And this is where MCP comes in. I saw a great example from this Twitter user. It shows MCP is like giving your AI a toolkit, and MCP is a standardized toolbox that holds it all together. Suppose you want to give your GitHub, Slack, or local file access to Cursor. You have to do various implementation for each task. On other hand, MCP comes and MCP provide an extra layer top of your unique IPs and the cursor. It provides an unified API to the cursor. Then for each tool, you have to implement only one standard way. If you still don't get it, think about it like this. Before LangChain, if you wanted your chatbot to switch between different LLMs like OpenAI's GPT model, Anthropic's Claude models, or Google Gemini models, you had to implement each one separately because every company had its own API structure. Then LangChain came along and provided a unified way to switch between LLMs with a single codebase. MCP does the same thing. But for AI tools, AI integration, instead of building custom connectors for every tool, now AI system can connect to multiple tools using a single protocol. So let's put this into action. MCP is open source and you can start playing with it right now. They even provide pre-built MCP servers for popular platforms like Google Drive, GitHub, Postgres, and more. Or you can build your own custom server. Companies like Cursor, Block, and Apollo, and even development platforms like Zed and Replit are already using MCP to enhance AI-powered workflows. So, what next? In next video, we'll build an MCP server that can copy my Figma design into code. Stay tuned.